Electronic and mechanical domains are two sides of the same electronic product design coin. Getting a product's electromechanical form and fit correct, and correct the first time, is an increasingly critical part of the overall success of the product design process. More than ever, seamless and intelligent collaboration between these two domains is important to meeting the overall project schedules and budgets. Yet behind the scenes, design workflows continue to act as separate, even sometimes competing processes. The SOLIDWORKS PCB Connector extension eliminates this separation by providing seamless, intelligent collaboration between the Altium Designer and SOLIDWORKS mechanical design environments that keep designers, workflows, and data connected and synchronized. While the electronic part of a product design starts with schematic entry, the product design itself often starts within the mechanical environment. To achieve the overall project goals, both the mechanical and electronic components must be designed as one seamless whole. SOLIDWORKS PCB Connector is designed to take the guesswork, effort, and barriers out of ECAD-MCAD collaboration. With SOLIDWORKS PCB Connector, it is faster and easier than ever before to intelligently share design data between both design environments and collaborate on critical design elements and changes. It provides a seamless, managed workflow to precisely define the initial board shape, exactly refine component placement and mounting holes, and accurately validate board enclosure fit. Throughout the design process, changes can be made in either Altium Designer or SOLIDWORKS Mechanical, and those changes seamlessly synchronize with the other design domain. As part of the design flow, change notifications with visual indicators display a preview of incoming changes and provide the ability to review the changes that can be either accepted or rejected. A history of changes and comments is maintained for future reference. With the electronic and mechanical design teams seamlessly working and collaborating together, it's easy to get form and fit correct and correct the first time, reducing design cycle time, mechanical prototypes, and increasing efficiency to help meet overall project schedules and budgets.